There's a fabric that doesn't just move with you. It actually conducts electricity. And it's not sci-fi. Industries are already using it in military gear, medical systems, and next-gen electronics. But here's the twist. New data from 24 Chemical Research shows this hidden market is expanding faster than anyone expected. According to 24 Chemical Research, the global conductive fabric market is rising from $255.81 million in 2024 to $378.07 million by 2032, at a 5% CAGR. So, what's driving this momentum? Conductive fabrics are now essential in industrial, commercial, military, medical, and electronic applications where strength meets electrical performance. They power wearable health devices, electromagnetic shielding, and smart textile innovations, markets highlighted extensively by 24 Chemical Research. Companies like 3M, Bekaert, and Laird are shaping the landscape, investing in advanced fiber technologies and high-efficiency conductive coatings. As industries move towards smarter, lighter, and more connected materials, conductive fabrics are shifting from niche to mainstream. Stay tuned for more insights from 24 Chemical Research, because early knowledge is your competitive advantage.